YouTube? It's your girl Ray, the one and only, back with another video. So today's video, I'm just doing a little mukbang for McDonald's. I'm just gonna do another story time. This story was requested, but first, let's see what we got from McDonald's. I got the spicy chicken nuggets. I never had this, so this is my first time trying it. I got a McDouble with Big Mac sauce. No pickles, no onions. I'm very picky. I don't like pickles or onions on my burgers. I don't know, to each his own. And I got French fries. Whew, and they're nice and hot. I don't really like McDonald's like that, but it's laughing. And I got my Fanta and my cup. How do people talk and chew? But anyway, guys, let's get right into the video. So, ooh, that was slapping. But guys, y'all like my hair? I'm trying to do something different. I'm trying to do some color. I dyed my hair this color before, so I knew it was going to look good on my skin. But I really like the color. It looks good on me. But anyway, let's get right into the video. So, today's video, I'm going to tell you about the time I almost fought when I went to rehab. Y'all, this video was requested by one of my rehab friends. Wow. So, I'm just going to tell it. So yeah, let's get right into it. So, I had these girls. This was not in rehab. If you don't know, boys and girls don't sleep together. They sleep in different facilities or whatever. And in my rehab, we just met back at a building in the morning times, and then in the evenings, we lived somewhere else, which is the girls' house and then the boys' house. So it was a lot of drama in the girls' house, of course, as always. I just so happened to be amongst it. Cool. It was this girl that I was very, very cool with. Alright, so I'm gonna change everybody's name in this story. So I was friends with everybody. I just want to say that I was friends with everybody. Period. But one of my friends, it was four girls. It was four of us. So one of my friends didn't like my other friends. For whatever reason, they had their own little problems with each other, and I will always kind of sometimes get brought into it or whatever. And sometimes some people will want me to pick sides, and I'm a friend, I'm not going to pick sides. And I'm also a friend that if you're right, you're right, and if you're wrong, you're wrong. I'm going to tell you that you're wrong, or I'm going to tell you that you're not wrong. Period. Now, whether you get mad, whether you like it, who cares? So, yeah. So, two of my friends didn't like my one friend. Which was honestly, like, acceptable, because my one friend was doing a lot of crazy things that didn't make sense, or that was making a lot of people not like her. I don't know why she was acting out in this type of manner, but she was at the time. I don't know what was on her biscuit, but something was on it. She was doing some crazy stuff, and it was making everybody else not really care for her. It was making everybody else kind of want to stay away from her. So this one time, my friend, who everybody didn't like, and my friend's name is, who everyone didn't like is Mary. Now my other two friends, their name is Jessica and Jasmine. Okay, so everybody didn't like Mary for whatever reason. Mary spoke out about a lot of things that was going on in rehab amongst people that she didn't care for. A lot of unnecessary things like racism and bullying. And that, I guess that kind of made people like not really like her, for whatever the case may be. But Jasmine and Jessica wanted me to stop kind of dealing with Mary. And I didn't really want to do that, but then she started doing like different things amongst the girls' house with me. Like she would say that people were saying things about me, or I was saying things about people, and she was just trying to cause confusion and trouble amongst me with the other girls in the house. So I would try to like confront people, and people would lie, and I didn't like that. Sorry, I can't really talk at the same time. But people would lie, and I didn't really like that, so it made me really frustrated. I got barbecue sauce and sweet and sour sauce for my spicy nuggets, but yeah, people would lie, and I didn't really know who to believe. So I didn't really like the fact that people would lie, but I would ask Mary, like, is this true that she would say stuff? And she would say no, and I would have to get everybody in the same room, and I still wouldn't find out the truth because I didn't know who was telling the truth. So this one particular day, I told Mary that I was gonna do her hair because I had did her hair in the past and she liked it and she wanted me to do it again. But Mary had told somebody that I had said something about her. And I didn't like that. Because why would you go and say that I was saying something about you, like about so-and-so, so now so-and-so's looking at me like, oh, was you talking about me? And I'm like, no, who you get that from? And then they go tell me about this, that, and the third. So I just wanted to separate myself. Period. Okay. I just wanted to separate myself. You know, I didn't want to hang with her. She didn't like that. And me and Mary started going back and forth. Just like, you're acting different. You're picking sides. Because her and Jessica had gotten to it earlier that day. She was like, you're picking sides. I don't like that. And she had made a comment that said, how exactly, I don't remember exactly what the comment was, like how she exactly said it word from word, but she was like, why would you take Jessica's side? And not to really make it a racial thing because it's not, but just so you could see a clearer picture from what I'm saying. Mary was black like me and Jessica was white. You know, we were all friends. So Mary said, why would you pick Jessica's side? You're supposed to be on my side. And she said it in front of the whole like rehab of the house of girls at the rehab. And now everybody's coming out of their dorms because they heard it. And I'm like, yo, you're crazy. Why would you say that? Blah, 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 blah. So at this point, I'm starting to get mad. And I come running down the stairs. We was outside. Now, below, downstairs, there's stairs that go upstairs to the dorms or whatever you call it. So, but when you look over the stairs, you can see right downstairs, and there's tables. There's a grill down there, and you can sit out there, smoke, do whatever. So I hear her say that, and me arguing. So I run downstairs. Like, the scene was like so funny because my friend always say, yo, it's like off of Bad Girls, how like if we would have like cut it and edited it and slowed it down, it would have been like a real scene off of Bad Girls. Because I started running downstairs getting mad. I'm like, what? So now, boom, then now this time, me and Mary at each other's face. She right here, I'm right here. We at it. Because I'm pissed. Now she get mad. So, it was another girl that was down there. She gets in between us. Because I guess she didn't want us fighting or whatever. And she was like, Akira, no. My other friend's name is Nicole. That was getting in between us. Nicole was like, no, Akira, don't do that. Don't try to fight her. I said, no, I'm not going to fight her because she's not going to do nothing anyway. And she didn't do nothing. But, guys, let me stop. That wasn't nice. But, it's the truth. But, We didn't fight though. We got in each other's face, but we didn't fight because the staff had came out and we had to talk about it later. The staff's office and the leader of the rehab, I guess. We had to talk about it with her in the office. It was a mess. But Mary ended up getting kicked out. Not because of that, because she was still causing more problems in the facility. Yeah. Hold on, guys, I'm back. So yeah, Mary ended up getting kicked out because she was causing too many problems amongst other people, not just me. Ended up squashing our beef. Like, I talked to her now. She's cool now. Like, we talked about it. Everything's cool. You know, at that moment, she just had me fucked up. But we got no beef with sis no more. I went to rehab like nine months ago. 10, 11, something like that. Wait. Nine months ago. Okay, so it was 9 months ago. I went to rehab. So yeah, I don't got no problem with this. I'm over it. I hope she's over it. I hope everybody's over it. Yeah, if you're not, grow up. Because you should be over it. It happened like 9 months ago. Like, what else are you doing with your life? But I got love for everybody. Nothing but love. I wish everybody the best. A lot of people said they were going to keep in contact with me when they left, but they didn't. Oops. And yeah. Oh, for those that were asking, what did you go to rehab for? I went to rehab to better my life. I was in a really bad space around that time. And I wanted a getaway. And at the time, I was living in Harrisburg, staying at my ex-boyfriend's house with him and his family. And things wasn't going right. So it was getting really bad. So I wanted to get away, and my best friend was like, you know, my best friend had went to this rehab, and she recommended it to me. And she said, I'll go with you, because it was like a 30-day program, but you live there for like a month, unless you get an extension. If you get an extension, you get to stay longer. Some people stay for a month, 2 months, 3 months, like however long you want to keep extending it. So yeah. And my DOC, which is drug of choice, my DOC was alcohol and weed. So, as y'all know in my last video, I talked a little bit about my drug addiction. So, yeah. And mental health. So if you haven't seen that video, make sure you go check it out. And subscribe if you're not a part of the family. These aren't even spicy, but they're cool, like they're good. But they're not spicy. They taste like literally regular chicken nuggets. Am I missing something? Y'all let me know if y'all had these and you think they're spicy, because I don't think they're spicy. Maybe it's just me. Not sure. Yes, that rehab, there was a lot of good moments, a lot of amazing moments, a lot of heartfelt moments, a lot of loving moments. But then sometimes I used to be like, I'm ready to go. But like, I could have left at any moment, but I wanted to finish the program because I knew what was on the other side if I finished the program. So I finished the program. Yeah, here I am now, doing YouTube. What else better to do? So, because I'm gonna end this video, let me know what you guys think about the story. Did you like it? What other stories do you want me to tell? I will tell any story that you want. It doesn't matter. Comment down below, inbox me, DM me, whatever. Our nation, this is you. Like, this is your family. What do you want to see more of? What do you want me to do? What else do you want me to do? I'm going to be doing challenges. I'm going to be doing pranks, hey, on people. I'm not going to tell y'all who though, but I'm going to be doing pranks. I'm going to be doing a lot more. I'm going to bring more people to my channel. So if you do YouTube and you're in Harrisburg, York, Lancaster, wherever I travel, we can figure out somewhere. I want to do collabs with people, so let me know. I'm an amazing person. I'm a very nice person. I'm sweet, and I'm just lit to be around. So anyway, like, comment, and subscribe to join the freaking family. Boom. Hit that bell notification and get notified when our next video drops. Duh. I guess I will see you guys in the next video.